So I took my 6-string, put it away, save my dreams some other day. Everyone gave me approving looks as I sat down and hit the books. My parents told me music was a curse, taking it away made it worse. So took my guitar, rap today, girl. Don't save your dream for some other day, some other day. Heaven and hell decide, both are satisfied. Illuminate the nose, baby can see signs. If there's no one beside you, your soul departs. I'll follow you to dawn.
Oh, Foley, he looked away. The lad said to him, he said, Foley, he got real scared, eh? His father Power was kind of a rough and tumble fella. Anyway, he put his head down.
Great uncle of mine, true story.
Put his hands up over his head like that there. And Father Power said, put your hands down, Foley, put your hands down. I'm not going to hit you, I'm going to hit you. The minute he dropped his hands, pow! Decked him.
Right in the nose.
Oh, that was it.
Yeah.
Works every time. Oh, that's it.
Oh, never too good with kids, McCarty. None of my family was. Good thing they never trust me with 7 young lads. I couldn't handle that. Could you imagine if you gave me 7 young lads for a week, what that'd be like?
Didn't you?
Catholic school did to me. Still branded into my arm, too. Keep me out of purgatory, that will.
What? That don't even make sense.
Doesn't have to.
I wanna be forever young. I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. This is the way you left me. I'm not pretending. No love, no glory, no happy endings. You are amazing.
Elle ne parle qu'au passé, son corps implore la mort. Elle ne peut plus respirer, tu lui as fermé les yeux. Ton ventre s'est rempli de feu, la rage, la peine et l'amour ont régné aux alentours. Tu chasses les anges qui pensent, c'est la peur du silence. Cette nuit la vie t'a repris, la meilleure des amies.